Hello everyone, Shubh Navratri. Today I'm gonna share with you this delicious recipe of apple coconut burfi. Yes, you can have it during your Navratri fast. First, you have to take 3 medium sized apples and grate them in this kind of grater. You have to take the thick side of the grater. Now grate them nicely. Grate them and just leave that side of the apple which is having seeds. Now you can see as I have grated all the apples. Let's start with the recipe. So now we will take a saucepan or kadhai, whatever you are having, and pour a tablespoon of ghee, and we will cook it until the apples get softened. Cook it for approx 5 minutes, and now I'm closing the lid so that the apples get softened enough. Now after 5 minutes we will be adding sugar or desi khand, whatever you are having. Now after 5 minutes we will be adding 1 cup of roasted almond flour. We will prepare the almond flour by simply roasting them and grinding them in the mixer grinder. Now we will add 1 cup of desiccated coconut and we will cook the mixture until this consistency. Remember, we have to cook this on a low medium flame. Now we will be adding some sliced almonds and some raisins into it. Now cook until this consistency and we will switch off the flame. Now we will take a tray and pour 2-3 drops of ghee, and now we'll grease the tray with the help of the fingers of the hands. And now we will pour the mixture in the tray and we will level up the mixture with the help of our hands. Now we will decorate the burfi with some sliced almonds. You can also use some dried rose petals. Now we will keep this tray in the fridge for at least 2 hours for settling it down, and after that we can cut down into slices and enjoy the burfi. It turned out to be amazing. Just enjoy and do let me know. Bye.